Let the tub stay dry of running water until the new caulk has fully cured according to the product instructions. When you apply silicone or latex caulk around a tub, check the manufacturer label for the cure time and follow it exactly because curing depends on thickness, humidity, and temperature. For typical silicone caulk, expect full cure in at least 24 hours under normal conditions, though some fast cure formulas set earlier and latex variants can dry faster. Do not confuse drying with curing, because the surface may feel dry long before the joint reaches full strength. Keep the bathroom ventilated with a window open or a fan running to reduce humidity and speed cure, but avoid blasting hot air directly on the bead, which can cause cracking. Maintain room temperature in the recommended range on the product label, usually between 50 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, spelled out if the label specifies, since cold slows cure and excessive heat can trap solvents. Do not run the shower or allow standing water on the bead until the specified cure time has passed. If you need to use the tub sooner, consider using a temporary waterproof shield like a clean plastic sheet taped away from the bead so the caulk does not contact water. After curing, test gently by touching a small hidden section before full exposure to water to confirm the caulk is firm and no tackiness remains. Common mistakes include assuming a bead that looks dry is fully cured so people expose it to water too soon, which leads to failure and mold growth. Prevent this by waiting the full manufacturer recommended cure time even if it seems dry. Another issue is applying caulk to a wet or dirty surface, which prevents adhesion and causes early peeling. Solve this by removing old caulk, cleaning with a mild detergent and alcohol wipe, and ensuring the joint is dry before application. A third problem is using too much caulk or uneven tooling, which creates gaps or weak spots. Address that by using a consistent bead size, smoothing with a finger dipped in a little soapy water for latex or a tool for silicone, and removing excess immediately. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects like tub recaulking and lets us find work when we offer services. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from other homeowners and professionals.